Common food names: pizza, baked flatbread with cheese, tomato sauce, and other toppings on top. Burger, sandwich consisting of a patty, usually beef, in a bun with condiments. Sushi, Japanese dish of vineyard rice with raw fish and vegetables. Pasta, Italian noodles made from durum wheat and served with sauce. Salad, mixture of veggies, sometimes with dressing, either raw or cooked. Steak, slice of meat, typically beef, cooked by grilling or frying. Chicken wings, chicken wing portions deep fried or baked and coated in sauce. Fries, deep fried potato strips, often served as a side dish. Tacos, Mexican dish with folded or rolled tortillas filled with meat and toppings. Ice cream, frozen dessert made from milk, cream, sugar, and flavors. Cheese, dairy product made from curdled milk, used in various dishes. Sandwich, food item consisting of two bread slices with fillings in between. Soup, liquid dish made by boiling meat, vegetables, or grains. Cake, made with butter, eggs, sugar, and flour. This is a sweet baked dish. Cookies, small sweet baked treats, often with chocolate chips or nuts. Donuts, fried dough confectionery, often ring-shaped and glazed. Pancakes, flat cakes made from batter and fried, served with syrup. Waffles, batter-based cakes cooked in a waffle iron, served with toppings. Burrito, Mexican dish with a flour tortilla wrapped around fillings. Lasagna, Italian dish of layered pasta sheets, cheese, and sauce. Ramen, Japanese noodle soup dish with broth and toppings. Curry, dish with meat or vegetables cooked in spicy sauce. Omelets, dish of beaten eggs cooked with fillings like cheese or veggies. Rice, edible grains harvested from certain grass species. Bacon, cured pork meat, usually fried or grilled. Pizza, burger, sushi, pasta, salad, steak, chicken wings, fries, tacos, ice cream, cheese, sandwich, soup, cake, cookies, donuts, pancakes, waffles, burrito, lasagna, ramen, curry, omelets, rice, bacon, eggs, bagel, muffin, hot dog, fajitas, baguette, croissant, tuna, ham, turkey, gyro, falafel, hamburger, cheesecake, mashed potatoes, French toast, casserole, tofu, quiche, risotto, stir-fry, gnocchi, bruschetta, cabbage rolls, baked bean, salsa, pho, pumpkin pie, Caesar salad, gazpacho, chicken, quesadilla, nachos, fried rice, chili, fish and chips, meatloaf, pot roast, roast chicken, potato chips, French fries, onion rings, buffalo wings, scrambled eggs, rice pilaf, cupcake, brownie, gelato, sorbet, yogurt, pudding, jelly, jam, honey, Rice Krispies, butter, milk, bread, fruits, vegetables, nuts, herbs, tea, coffee, juice, wine, beer, soda, spring rolls, egg rolls, dim sum, soy sauce, Caesar dressing, balsamic vinaigrette, blue cheese dressing,